Imagine you are sitting in a room with a pen and a paper and you are asked to draw something. What would you do? At that moment, you might start thinking about something that you really like, your favorite animal, flower, or some images of something that you might have seen in the morning or something that you have seen yesterday. So your mind will start showing you some images or give you flashbacks of something you have came across. You'll start taking some inspiration from something around you, like what is something that I can draw. And this is what happens when other creators or anyone try to create something, that they take inspiration from the outside world. And that inspiration can be someone experience, that can be a life experience, design experience, or experience of meeting someone. I feel everyone is creative in their own way, and there could be a possibility that you can start taking the inspiration from the internet, and it's very okay to start looking into someone else's work, like what they have done, how they have done, and then you can start applying your own thought process. Okay, if I make this change, what it will look, how it will look, can I redesign it as my own way? And this is what you have to do. So no one is someone who has taken something new thoughts from somewhere else, but they have taken the inspiration from the different people, gather all the information in the data, and then try to create something of their own. And this is what the process of creativity looks like. The second thing that you can do to be creative is to observe the things around you. Look around you wherever you go. Even a packet of chips can give some inspiration or can add value in your creativity. The color of the packet, the text, something that you looked on that chips packet and you thought, oh, this is getting so much of my attention. So you can make a note of it, take a picture of it, keep it in your inspiration board if you have any, or keep it in a folder or keep it in a gallery, that the next time you try to create something, you can take something from that chips packet as well. It's a very small thing, but you can also observe the design of your shirt, the design of the shirt of this color, the design of maybe a texture that is drawn on the shirt, maybe a car design, maybe the city, the train, product that you're buying, anything. The more things you observe, the more ideas you will get, and the more data will be stored in a subconscious mind that will flash you back whenever you try to create something new. One of the most important thing that plays a huge role in your creativity is your mental state. So imagine if you are very sad, depressed, your mind is stuck at something, you can't think beyond that. So it's very important that you are happy in yourself, you are in a good mental state, because when you are in a good mental state, you can even think of some idea that is out of the box. So keep yourself happy, take regular breaks, stay away from negativity, stay close to people who support you and love you and adds value in your life. Alright, so another important thing that can help you to be a creative person is to read a lot of books. Books, but why? So when you read books or watch movies, you are exchanging thoughts with the great minds in the world. Those people have put their thoughts in the form of the words in the books, or maybe in the form of the stories in the movies. So whenever you get time, try to read a lot of books. Read anything that you like. It can also be a newspaper. So read a lot about your art. So like if you, for example, if you are a UI/UX designer, or if you're a graphic designer, you can read about the case studies of the different designers, why they have used this text, why they have used this particular font size, why they have used this color. And there are a lot of designers who actually document that also, like why they have used this color. And you can just be so much creative just reading and looking into someone else's work. So another way to be creative is to spend a lot of time in your work. So imagine you want to be creative, but you are not doing any work that involves creativity. I mean, like how you are going to be creative. Like for example, as I said, if you want to be a UX designer, set 3-4 hours, brainstorm about the idea, draw a screen, refactor it, retrospect it, like what are the things that you can improve. You can also ask from some other designers that can you just look into my design and give me some feedback. Take their feedbacks and see how you can improve your design. Redesign it and see like how you have improved from the version 1 to the version 2. So these are the important things that you can involve in your process of becoming creative person. And there could also be another ways of becoming a creative person, but these are the things that I do in my life. These are the things that some other designers have done in their life, and I think these are the basic steps that we have to do. And one more important thing, that is stop being Get out of your room, look around you, look into the real world. What are the things that is happening? Look into your apps, like what app you are using, why you are using, what's the color of that application. Document it, know the reason behind it. Be curious to know why this thing is implemented, and these are the only things that can make you a creative person. So I'll end up this video now, and let me in the comments if this video was helpful to you or not. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, keep smiling.